Mold Putty Silicone Mold Making Kit In-Depth Reviews. This product has 4.5 stars based on 124 ratings and 16 reviews. 88% of customers have overall ratings of 4 or 5 stars, while ratings of 1 or 2 stars accounting for 7% of all reviewers. Let's look at a recent positive review. It said works perfectly. Some of the brickwork on my Victorian house is in bad shape. I thought I would mold one of the good brickwork item and use the mold with fast-setting concrete for the broken brickwork items. It worked. I used a different brand for small projects but thought I'd try this one, cheaper, and it works exactly the same way. Mix it up, shape, wait 30 minutes and done. Very easy to use. Is there anything the product needs to be improved on? Let's take a look at a critical review. Oily forms. Demold time listed as 20 to 30 minutes in 25C, listed as 40A, but after 12 hours feels like well-chewed chewing gum and does not properly return to shape. Despite product video showing bare-handed handling, there is a distinct oily residue even after appropriate cure time. I presume to have received a defective batch, but not worth my time. Update: attempted another mold with the same product and was able to achieve a suitable cure after 6 hours of 32C heat curing, so the product I received is at least not 100% unusable. That's it.